Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. The show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and hey, as promised, got some new tunes. Yeah. There you go. It is a Tuesday in April, amidst the crazy sickness that is the COVID-19 virus sweeping the nation and the world. And today I've got something I'm continuing the Meet the Manufacturer series I've been doing with Sau Tao. This is their QQ. It's pork and pickled mustard greens. Bean vermicelli. Sound good? I hope so. That's what I'm making. If it doesn't sound good, that's too bad for you. So basically, did I mention it comes with a fork? Let's see. Yeah. You add everything in, add water to the fill line, and stir it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's add in the sachet contents. I'm so stoked to have new music, you have no idea. I've been like, oh, things have changed. Actually, this whole COVID-19 thing has been both a pain in the butt, and it's really changed how I do a lot of what I do. Like, with my day. And at first, it was like a real pain, and now I'm kind of like digging what I'm doing. I don't really like going to the grocery store that much anymore. It's kind of weird. But, you know. Stamp. Oh, yeah. I like really spent a lot of time going through a lot of music to find kind of like the funkiest, coolest stuff I could find. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of went more this time with a lot of the more bass and more nice little things like that. More funk, more soul. I hope that doesn't horrify you. I hope it's not too much for you. There's no I mean, there's a lot of disco too, you know. Yeah, right up to that line there. Boom. Oh, how long do you go? Are you 3 minutes? You look like 3 minutes. Four minutes. And guess what I got? You want to even try to venture a guess of what I got? For you? Yeah. I got some Monopoly tickets outside Hatch. Ooh, we start off strong with, ooh, a buck off spinach dip. Yeah, that sounds good. So my doctor said that I can like kind of ease off the diet thing, just like don't go crazy. I've gone a little crazy and kept doing the exercise for the most part. And it's like I'm staying at the weight where I'm at, which is pretty good, and eating a lot of tasty stuff. I really like spinach dip. I certainly do. We got pizza yesterday. Oh boy. Oh me oh my. Oh me oh my. But yeah, these tickets, they're from the I've got a new term for grocery stores. They're called incubators now. I don't like to go to the incubator too much, but I find myself going there every day. They've got sneeze guards, they got the whole 9 yards. Instant win, more tickets. Yeah. Music like this is always going through my mind. 50 cents off water. We got Wawa. Wow, really? Look at that! Look at that! Yeah! Ooh, I'm going to the incubator today to get my 4-count pack of light bulbs. I wonder what kind they are. Probably like max value of $2. But hey, is that the end of it? Let's watch now. It's all gonna be crap. That's sweet though. 50 cents off Honey Nut Cheerios. That kind of stuff gives me heartburn. Oh man, you know what's really killing me right now? I have like the absolute worst allergies. You might hear it in my throat. 50 cents off soda. Got a minute. We're down to a minute. 50 cents off iced tea, and I think I'll save the rest for the next episode. Alright, so I need a beverage. I'm dying here. Now, I don't have any cold regular beverages, so I'm gonna go for some power. Some insanity. Cheers. Yeah, it's like there's like a little, like a peanut stuck in my neck right there. And when I swallow, I feel it goes click, click. Well, we got like all these cherry trees. We got all these tree pollen. In fact, like the last 3 days, it said like major pollen alert or whatever. So I'm like, Alright, let's give this fine stuff a try. Honestly, it's been going really well with this Meet the Manufacturer. The varieties have been very, very varied. This is green bean vermicelli, I think it said. A lot of broth. Too much broth makes me cranky. Let's try. The thing that's hard about this is like taking a picture of it, showing the noodle, you know, because it just doesn't want to hang out. good. I like the broth. The noodles, they come out pretty nice too. And there's the broth. That's very warm. Some might call it hot. That's good. That's good. I would eat that. Alright. Alright, let's pour it in. Yeah. Pouring the soup and the noodles in the bowl. Yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to do something. You'll be like, what are you doing? This is the pickled mustard. That's not going to work, is it? I wanted to take the pickled mustard out and then add it in on top. Oh, we can try doing that. It's hard, though, with the vermicelli. It just doesn't want to let go of it. Come on, vermicelli, be kind. You don't have to do this if you're cooking it yourself, trust me. This is just a plating exercise. Yeah, I don't know how far. I'm gonna go with that. Okay. Alright. Bowl. There we go. Oh, no, 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 no. So this is the mustard stem. We'll give it a taste. Go. Making vermicelli while my voice cracks. I'm making vermicelli. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, 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 yum. Tasty, tasty. Yum, 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 yum. We're gonna do some black sesame seeds. Right about there. Catchy. That reggae, I tell you, it's catchy stuff. And a little bit of red pepper flake. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Yeah, okay. All right, well, I think it's time to let this disco dance go and get crazy and rotato and all that good stuff. And oops. What is it? It's Tuesday. Where is it? It's here. And why is it? God only knows. Here we go.
Alright, this has been Ons, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Checking in to see what's crack-a-lacking with y'all right now. So yeah, keep the funk flowing. Dig it, dig it, dig it. And we'll have something else pretty quick. Ons, the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one, man. Bye.